This is Bold Floral Drape stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set containing 7 individual stamps. Find beauty in the shadows. This stamp set features a unique layering style to create a gorgeous cover patterns and gorgeous floral arrangements. The set features a 5.5 by 5.5 negative floral pattern stamp that can be used as is or in combination with the floral stamps that fit right inside. You can stamp the large image with a light ink on white or coloured cardstock to get a subtle background or darker colours for a bold look. These images work well on different projects, be that cards, scrapbook pages, journals or even home decor. Bold Floral Drape is a high quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more inspiration and information on Bold Floral Drape stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.